Assalamualaikum and hi, good morning to everyone. For today, we're gonna learn tense review, present, past, and future. For learning outcomes, by the end of this lesson, people are able to give the different type of tenses and complete a passage using the correct tenses. Okay, lesson for today. Are you guys ready?
The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I walked my dog, I am walking my dog. I will walk my dog to the shops. I jumped so high, I am jumping so high. I will jump so high on the trampoline. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I ate my lunch, I am eating my lunch. I will eat my lunch in the dinner hall. I wore my coat, I am wearing my coat. I will wear my coat because it's freezing. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. The past is then, the present is now, the future is later. I played the drums, I am playing the drums.
Alright, verb comes in three tenses: past, present, and future. The verb tense tells us when the action takes place. For the present tense, tell us about action that is happening now. The past tense tell us about action that has already happened before now. And the future tense tell us about action that is going to happen later than now. Okay, for the first one, simple tense, simple present tense. Simple present tense expresses a general truth or a customary action. For example, for daily activity, habit, and regular. Okay, the formula is subject plus verb plus object. For example, Ali wears glasses. Another example, Mia enjoys singing. Third example, monkey likes banana. Okay, we can look here for another example. The children go to school by bus. Cows eat grass. Putri collects stamp. The earth goes around the sun. We eat 3 meals a day. Okay, here for the simple past tense. Simple past tense talk about things that happened in the past. For example, yesterday, last week, last month, and so on. Okay, the formula is subject plus verb. The verb need to add ed for regular verb plus object. Okay, look at the example. For example 1, it snowed last night. This is regular verb. Second example, Aiman drove car yesterday. This is irregular verb. Third example, Farah read a book last week. Okay, another example here. I bought a new camera last week. Joe learned to play the guitar very quickly. Yesterday, Dad took me to the carnival. The plane landed a few minutes ago. Okay, this is simple future tense. Simple future tense talk about things that have not happened yet but are going to happen. For example, tomorrow, next week, next month, and others. Okay, the formula is subject plus will or be going to plus verb plus object. Okay, look at the example 1. I will read this book tomorrow. Example 2. We are going to bake a cake this afternoon. Example 3. I am going to go to Bali next month. Okay, look at another examples. You will be sick if you eat too much. You will enjoy visiting Australia. They are going to wash the car for that. It is going to get dark very soon. Okay, this is present continuous. What is present continuous? Present continuous talk about actions in the present or things that are still going on or happening now. For example, we use now, right now, at the moment. Okay, for the formula, subject plus to be, am, is, are, plus verb need to plus ing and object. Okay, for example 1, I am writing a letter. Example 2, he is sleeping. Example 3, she is riding a horse. Okay, we need to add ing at the verb. Okay. Okay, as you can see, there's another examples. I am playing chess with my friend. He is taking a walk in the park. The man is counting the money. They are practicing Tai Chi. We are rushing to the airport to meet Mr. Smith. They are swimming in the sea. Okay, let's look at the past continuous. Past continuous talk about actions that were going on at a certain moment in the past. The formula is subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Okay, look at the example 1. Miss Nadia was cleaning the chalkboard. Example 2. They were studying English when Zahra saw them yesterday. Example 3. He was studying the classroom. Okay, another examples. The twins were fighting in the corner. Michael and John were washing the paint brushes. Mom was cooking our supper when I came home. Okay, next, future continuous. Future continuous tense express action at a particular moment in the future. However, the action will not have finished at the moment. For example, we use at this time, next Monday, tomorrow, and others. Formula is subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object. Okay, look at the example 1. I will be teaching at 8 a.m. tomorrow. Another example, I will be cooking tomorrow at 11 p.m. Third example, I will be driving next Saturday at 5 p.m. Okay, look at another examples. We will be eating dinner at 7 p.m. I will be going to Bandung at this time next Sunday. Okay, the perfect tense, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense use already or since. The formula is subject plus have or has plus verb plus object. For example, you have studied English already. Okay, for the past perfect tense, we use before, after, or when, or others. The formula is subject plus had plus verb plus object. After Linda had eaten rice, James invited her. Okay, for future perfect tense, we use by the end, by the time. Okay, the formula is subject plus will plus have plus by the time or before or when plus subject plus verb. For example, I will have studied by the time my mom arrived. Okay, now turn on your passbook or page 100. Okay, for the exercise 1, copy the table in your notebook. Complete the negative examples in the table. Okay, for the affirmative, present simple, crocodiles attack people. So the negative, crocodiles don't attack people. Okay, present continuous, they are traveling around Australia. So the negative, you need to answer. Past simple, Lucy left on Tuesday. Past continuous, Chris was watching a program about snakes. Present perfect, I have seen photos of the Australian outback. Will, you will need to drink a lot of water. Be going to, we are going to fly to Sydney. So the negative, you need to complete the negative examples in the table. Okay, for the exercise 2, add the time expression in the box to the table in your notebook. So you use next week, at the moment, last weekend, sometimes, and never to fill the answer in the exercise number 2. Okay, pause this video. You can answer first the exercise 1 and exercise 2, then I will give the answer. Okay, let's recheck the answer for exercise 1 and 2. Exercise 1, for number 2, they are not traveling around Australia. Okay, for number 3, Lucy didn't leave on Tuesday. Number 4, Chris wasn't watching a program about snakes. Number 5, I have not seen photos of the Australian outback. For number 6, you will need to drink a lot of water. And for the number 7, we are not going to fly to Sydney. Okay, for the exercise number 2, time expression. Number 8, sometimes. Number 9, at the moment. Number 10, last weekend. Number 11, never. Number 12, next week. Okay, let's recap. Simple present, sesuatu yang tidak berubah, bersifat umum, telah dijadualkan atas sesuatu yang berlaku pada sesuatu masa. Format, verb tambah verb sahaja ataupun verb tambah s. Present continuous, sesuatu yang berlaku pada masa sekarang atau akan berlaku dalam masa terdekat. Format dia is atau are atau am plus verb ing. Simple past, simple past, sesuatu yang telah pun berlaku sebelum ini, kita guna format verb plus ed. Past continuous, sesuatu perkara yang telah terganggu disebabkan oleh apa jua perkara ataupun masa. Format was or were plus verb ing. Simple future, sesuatu perkara yang akan berlaku pada sesuatu tahap di masa akan datang. Format dia will plus verb or is going to plus verb. Future continuous, sesuatu perkara yang akan terganggu disebabkan sesuatu perkara atau masa. Format will plus verb plus ing or is going to plus verb ing. Okay, here is examples for all the tenses. Simple present, I eat. Present continuous, I am eating. Present perfect, I have eaten. Simple past, I ate. Past continuous, I was eating. Past perfect, I had eaten. Simple future, I will eat. Future continuous, I will be eating at 9 p.m. And future perfect, I will have eaten before 10 a.m. Okay, this is your homework. Exercise 3 and exercise 5. You need to answer and then submit your answer in the Google form. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.